Hello everybody, today we will be using the Milwaukee M18 Gen 3 impact driver. We do have the Milwaukee socket converter installed with a size 14 millimeter socket, and we will be driving in those lag screws. So what we're looking at here is the four screws I drove in. These two were a 5-inch. This one just completely tapped out here. This one made it through. These two were both 8-inch. This one completely stopped, and as you can tell, this last one here actually cracked the wood, the tree log I should say, and it actually popped up on this side here. Please stay tuned for the next video. We will be testing out some paddle bits on a 2x4. Thank you once again, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.